I think cow foot is an underrated dish. Many people do not like it, but it is simple and very delicious. First here I have my cow foot that I'm just gonna wash and clean, and as you can see mostly it is bone. The flesh is on the outside as you can see, and this is normally roast and wood fire. Many people like it in their soup, especially doing night or grave digging. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my cow foot. So I am using vinegar. You can use vinegar and lime. Once I finish cleaning up my cow foot, I'm just going to use paper towel to pat it dry and then go ahead and season it. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you are new to my channel. So here I have some salt, some all-purpose season, and I'm going to leave the correct measurement in the description box below, so ensure that you check it out. I have here some onion powder, some garlic powder, and you can use your favorite blend if you like. You don't have to use the same season that I'm using. This is some Caribbean spice. It have roasted garlic and everything in there. I have pimento, paprika, and ensure that you crush your pimento before you put it in. This is some jerk season, and I bought this from the store. You can go ahead and blend up your green season. If you have that, you can use it. Just blend up your garlic, your onion, your thyme, you know. And I have here browning and soy sauce. I use both. If you do not have browning, you can use sugar. You can brown your sugar, but you have to be very careful of that process and ensure that you don't have too much browning on your meat because you don't want it to be too black. Once I finish seasoning my meat, I'm just going to leave it to marinate overnight, or you can go right away and start cooking your meat. Once it is seasoned properly, guys, trust me, you are going to get that rich flavor. Here I'm just adding the cow foot to the pot, and I'm going to sear it on both sides for about 4 minutes, and this is how it is looking. The color is looking amazing. Once it is finished searing on both sides for 4 minutes, I'm just going to remove it and put the remaining in the pot. The kitchen is smelling so good, and I hope that you give this a try. Okay guys, so this is just the season that is in the pot. I'm not going to change any pot right now. I'm just going to add some garlic and ginger. Next I'm going to add some water to the same bowl that I used to season the cow foot, because I know the seasons are still in that bowl. Once I do that, then I'm going to change the pot because I want it to be in a bigger pot where the cow foot can cover with the water and it can cook properly. And cow foot is very tough, very tough. So if you have a pressure cooker, just go ahead and use your pressure cooker and pressure your cow foot. I personally do not like to use pressure cooker, so I'm just going to use the pot itself and slow cook it. So I'm just going to add some water to cover the cow foot, ensure that I fix it properly in the pot. Then I'm going to add some thyme and cover it and allow it to cook. After 4 hours, my cow foot is cooked. I'm telling you guys again, this is smelling so good. To know if your cow foot is tender, what you can do is use the fork to test it. So once the fork goes through it, you know that yes, it is cooked. Right, so I'm just gonna add some ketchup. This is optional, you can leave out the ketchup. Some more water. And for this, I'm using butter bean. For some reason, I love using butter bean in stew because it gives it that rich gravy texture, and it tastes so good. Next, I'm going to add the carrot first. And the reason why I'm adding the carrot first is because the carrot takes longer to cook as compared to the onions and other veggie that you will add along. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just add the green onions and the onion, and I'm adding some more thyme. Here I have some bell pepper and some scotch bonnet pepper for that kick. So once I had all the veggie, I'm just gonna cover it and leave it to simmer for about 4 minutes. And this is how it turns out, guys. I'm telling you, the kitchen is smelling good. Look at that gravy. It is very rich, very flavorful, delicious. I'm just gonna have this with some rice and peas.